up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Zafirah Shadiyah here, and thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So clearly we're in a car. Today it is a maintenance vlog, you guys. Shout out to Yolova Hair for sponsoring this video and sending your girl a bomb wig.
Thank you so much for Yolova for sponsoring this video once again. So this is what the hair came packaged in. Of course, you have your standard wig cap as well as the duster that the wig is actually stored in. And of course, this is good for storing your wigs after you're not wearing them. So the wig that I got, I have the T-part lace closure water wave in Brazilian virgin hair. It is pre-plucked as well, which is great, and it has an elastic band with a natural color hairline. It's 24 inches and 150% density.
We are currently on our way to go get our hair installed, you guys. I'm so excited because I'm tired of looking crusty dusty. So let's go get cute.
What did you say? Mark. Go on.
Maybe I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, you challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you, take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings, take off your cufflinks. Did you wanna eat food? Let me feed you, let me run your bath water, whatever you desire, just fire. Sing you a song, turn the game on, I'll brush your hair, help you put your do
so familiar. Something that's got me wanting to know you. And I can't put my